Hello, my name is Aubrey.
My name's Elena.
My name's Emily. Today is Friday, February 27, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, good luck to our robotics team at their competition at Bell this Saturday, the 28th. Monday, March 2nd starts National School Social Worker Week. We are so appreciative of our resident social worker, Miss Hare. We are also very lucky to have Miss Anna and Mrs. Ashley from Adult and Child. Monday the 2nd is Spring Photo Day. Order online at interstate.com/order with code 0396TXF.
Pre-K continued their PLTW unit on healthy habits. They learned all about their eyes. They learned about the eyes work on practiced matching textures without sight.
Kindergarten began their dinosaur unit. They will be studying 5 different dinosaurs. This week, they found out just how big T-Rex really was. They worked together to fill in one T-Rex footprint, and found out it took 29 kindergarten students to fill it.
First grade began their PLTW module on learning from nature. They observed parents and their offspring in nature to determine what characteristics and traits offspring inherit from their parents. Then they wrote about their observations, stating a claim and supporting it with evidence.
Second grade has been working on a time and money interactive notebook this week. The second graders will be able to count money and know when they have enough when they go to the store to buy their favorite things.
Here's a special message from the 3rd grade.
Hi, I'm Aylin.
Hi, I'm Beckham.
Hi, I'm Katrina. We are here to talk about Bradford pear trees. Did you know that Bradford pear trees are an invasive species?
An invasive species is an organism that is not native to a habitat and causes harm to the environment. Bradford pear trees are originally from China and Taiwan.
Bradford pear trees are a problem because they are taking space away from our native plants. The Bradford pear trees are thorny and spread rapidly.
We posted pictures all around the school, so you can see what Bradford pear trees look like.
The trees are weak and easily damaged by ice and wind. The Indiana Department of Natural Resources is advising everybody to stop planting these trees.
If you have a Bradford pear tree in your yard, chop it down. Please plant trees that are native to Indiana, like the dogwood or American plum.
4th grade students are exploring energy transfer and the relationship between force and motion. We are using the engineering design process to test ideas, collect data, and solve problems just like engineers. In our Project Lead the Way module, Energy Exploration, we used VEX Go Kits to build supercars and learn through hands-on experiences. Now we are investigating energy even further by using energy sticks and flashlights to see how energy moves and flows.
In PE, we are playing team games in our teamwork, team building, and sportsmanship unit. We learned and practiced different ways to show good sportsmanship to not only our team, but the other team too. Our PE fundraiser starts next week. Golden tickets will be sent home on Monday. 10 phone numbers or emails entered gets you a slingshot rocket and 2 of the Wild Things keychains.
After school activities, the Crazy 8 Math Club is reviewing math skills while practicing addition and subtraction. Students are solving real-world problems by determining whether racers have enough fuel to reach their destination in a road race. Spark your imagination this summer at Camp Invention 2026. This will be our 10th year hosting camp at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and it will take place June 1st through the 5th. Students entering grades 1st grade and 6th grade through 6th grade will take part in fun, hands-on STEM activities that help build creativity, teamwork, and confidence. If you register by March 31st and use the promo code SUM25, you can save $25 at invent.org/mylocalcamp. Scholarships are also available. Please contact Sharon Gooden for more information. We hope you will join us for an exciting week of learning and fun. So mark your calendar. The Science Fair will be held on April 30th. Start thinking about what project you might like to create and explore. Miss Gooden will send out interest forms next week for students who would like to participate in this year's Science Fair. We can't wait to see your amazing ideas in action.
From the Bulldog Cafe. Next week, we are celebrating National School Breakfast Week, a nationwide celebration that highlights the importance of starting your day with a healthy breakfast. Did you know students who eat breakfast are more likely to score higher on tests? Eating breakfast improves focus, memory, and energy levels. School breakfast helps fuel your brain and body for an entire morning. Next week, the cafeteria will feature a different flavor of applesauce with breakfast each day, including birthday cake, blue raspberry, sour cherry, cinnamon, strawberry. Make sure to grab breakfast every day and help your class win a special prize. The class with the highest breakfast participation will win crowns and decorating stickers. So don't forget to grab breakfast every morning. Let's make it a great breakfast week. Also, the cafe will be offering Flamas Doritos. Get those chores done and earn some money. This is one item you do not want to pass up for $1.
From the PTO, STEM Night is coming. The PTO is excited to invite everyone to STEM Night on April 1st from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at Brooklyn STEM Academy. There will be a buy one, get one book sale, a special guest, Mr. Clefane, Science with Silly Safari, Math Your Way into a Bug Habitat, Engineering with the Bees, and use microscopes to see really cool things. Please order pizza now for your family. These are from Chicago's Pizza and are $15 for one large pepperoni or cheese. I hope to see you there.
Joke of the week. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Let us.
Let us do.
Let us in. It's cold out here.
Thank you for watching What Happens at Brooklyn STEM Academy. And see you next week. Bye!